And a person sits down and they say, well, I can't seem to get any place with meditation because the minute I sit down, the mind, the thoughts are racing around, the thoughts, the distractions of the world. And so the average person's life then is focused on thought, form. The person bewails the fact that no matter what they do, their mind seems to be focused on a passing panorama of endless thoughts and feelings and form. So that is the first thing we notice. Now, because this form is endless, the content of thinkingness is endless. It goes on spontaneously. The first thing to notice about it is it's got nothing to do with you because you can tell it to stop and it won't. Well, if you were, if that's what you were and you told it to stop, it would instantly stop. So you tell your mind, stop. Goes right on thinking. It seems to be quite unruly. Those are the famous ox herding pictures. You know, the first picture shows the ox, the wild ox. So that's the wild, untamed mind. And the naive person thinks, well, I have to deal with that. No, happily, you don't have to deal with the content of mind, because the only thing you have to notice about it is that what it's doing spontaneously. It's not the content of mind that's interesting at all. What is of interest is the process of mind. It's going on of its own. It had nothing to do with you. Couldn't care less about you. You'll say very nasty things about you. You know what the mind does. You're guilty, you're weak, you're wasting your money, you're a creep. You can't trust the mind at all. It's not even your friend. It's not even a friend. I mean, it just goes on and willy-nilly says all kinds of, when it runs out of thoughts, it'll say, Ibbity-bibbity-boo, rap-a-da-pop-pop-pop-pop. Picture some erotic scene from some movie when you were a teenager. It'll think of something horrible about the future. Oh my.